This is the Meerkat here at freeonlinetradingeducation.com, brought to you by Grok Trade, where I'm an analyst, host to the GrokStar Trading Room, and perhaps your future mentor. Hey, let's take a look at a trade that we had this morning, and it was on VRX. That's right, VRX, one of our favorites that we traded over the last couple of months here. Here it was at opening, and it made a big dip, and was running up, did a bull pullback, running up, did a bull pullback, and then it ran up here and is now doing another bull pullback. Want to know what those are? You can go to our site, freeonlinetradingeducation.com, and right up here it's a free chart school. Just click on that, and here's the chart school itself. And we have all kinds of things you can look up here. And what we're going to be looking at is a bull pullback right here, number 3 on the bull list. And here it is. It runs up and it pulls back to a line of support, and then it starts to roll up again. When it rolls up, the odds are in our favor, and that's when we want to get long. And here are some other date charts that in which this has happened before, and here's another look at this one down here. Also multiple bull pullbacks, just like in our VRX today. See, we have multiple bull pullbacks here, and now it's starting to set up on another one. So let's get ready to go long, set to trade, let the market come to us. Let's see what happened next, and boom, there it is. I'm in at $20.45. Gonna set a stop right down here below my 20 moving average. Actually, it's just a little bit less than 1%. And let's see, boom, boom, boom. Now look at that. It just kind of stalled here for a while. Did actually a little bit of a bull flag, and then it took off again. This is good news, and again I'm bringing my stop up here. Now I'm at break even here on my stop as this breaks out above this pivot line right here. This is the R1 pivot line, a intraday pivots that you can put on your charts. It's only for intraday trading, and it ran up here, hit its head. Now it's pulling back to the area. Got my stop just underneath this. Use this as a shield against my thing. It could be possible support. Look at that, tagged it perfectly, and then shot up again. So I'm still in this trade long. I have an in the money stop, zero risk trade. Love it when that happens. And look at this sucker go. Now it's up here to the even $21 amount right here. And let's see what happens. And right this one up here is the R2 pivot. Pulled right back to the this 20 moving average. So I've been pulling my stop up a little bit at a time. I'm now here at about 75. And let's see if it's going to roll up in another bull pullback, and sure enough it does. But then it kind of gets stuck here at the $21 area, and it was stuck there a long time. So I went ahead and took out half at $20.99 for 2.6% on the first half. Now I've got my second half stop. I'm going to keep it just below this 20 moving average here. I'm way in the money, so boy, I'm guaranteed a nice fat winning trade here. And it pulled back a little bit. Now it's hitting its head on this R2 pivot line, and we'll keep moving our stop up here a little bit at a time, get right just under the $21 area. Boom, it broke out. Love it when that happens. So now I'm bringing it back up to this 20 moving average, the green line there, and bam, it came close, and then bam, got me right here as it shot down there. I stopped out at $21.09 on the second half for 3.1%. All right, let's take a look at this overall trade. We had several bull pullbacks here, and then it did break out. I got in, it did a bull flag, but I had my stop set, and sure enough, it took off. Just managed my stop up here. When it stalled at the even $21 amount for the second time, I went ahead and took out half, and then it took off up here, and it was again consolidating, and as soon as it broke below this pivot line and my 20 moving average, I got out for a total of 2.85% in 1 hour and 8 minutes. Hoo-ah! Now here's the interesting part. We're about the end of our trading day at this point. Then look what happened after that. It did a nice big pullback, and look at this. As the time I'm making this recording at 12:44 Eastern time, look at that run up there. So for another 5% it continued to run up. Oh well, that's somebody else's money. This is Mark the Meerkat. Hey, just remember that you need to learn to trade well, not just focus on trading money. If you just want to make money, buy a printing press. Trade well.